The Battle of North Walsham, fought on June 25th or 26, 1381, was a significant confrontation during the Peasants Revolt in England. The revolt, driven by widespread socio-economic grievances and opposition to poll taxes, saw thousands of peasants and labourers rising against the feudal system. The East Anglian Revolt was one of the most intense, with rebels led by Geoffrey Litster, a dyer from Norfolk. They seized control of several towns and demanded the end of serfdom, fair wages, and the removal of corrupt officials. The battle occurred near North Walsham, Norfolk, where the rebels had gathered. The royal forces, commanded by Henry le Despenser, the Bishop of Norwich, were dispatched to suppress the uprising. Despenser, known for his military experience and fervor, mobilized a force composed of local gentry, retainers, and mercenaries. The rebels, lacking proper military training and equipment, were no match for the organized and well-armed royal forces. The battle was short but brutal. Despenser's troops quickly overwhelmed the rebels, killing many and capturing Litster, who was later executed. The defeat at North Walsham marked the collapse of the Peasants' Revolt in East Anglia. It demonstrated the ruthlessness with which the English nobility suppressed the uprising, reaffirming the social and political order. The battle highlighted the desperate conditions and determination of the peasantry, leaving a lasting impact on the subsequent social landscape of medieval England.